Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Guns Locked. I'm Gunther the Great, and today we are going to be looking at Lil Wayne's dreadlocks and his whole progression. But first and foremost, make sure to go follow me on Instagram. It is Guns Locked. And basically right here, you can see people with dreadlocks and also posting pictures like these that will give you guys the option on whether or not I should post videos of them. Let's give a shout out to Alex, the insane one right there. He said it was fire. So shout out to him. But let's jump straight into Lil Wayne's dreadlocks. As we've seen in this photo, I believe I did a review on him, and also we've seen Not Locks do a review on him as well. With his hair like this, is that he's going bald, and he's accepting the fact that he's going bald, and he's not shaving his head or anything like that. He's just leaving his hair how it is. So it's really interesting actually looking at Lil Wayne's hair right here and seeing that his hair is actually going bald. But I think the bleaching color is really interesting, and also the Congos. So let's not pay too much attention about his balding hairline, but let's just talk about the fact of how cool his dreadlocks actually are. One thing we can notice from Lil Wayne's dreadlocks now compared to how they were when he was a little younger is that his dreadlocks now are looking a little more like wigs. It's just from allowing his hair to freely form and Congo up and lock with 4 to 5, probably sometimes 6, could even be 10 dreadlocks in one, because I remember his dreadlocks used to be really skinny. So this could be from multiple dreadlocks combining, which creates a Congo. But since we are talking about Lil Wayne, let's talk about his hair type. His hair type is most likely a 4B or a 4C. He has a really tight curl pattern, more of like an African curl pattern versus like an American curl pattern. One thing that's very distinct about his dreadlocks right now is that his hair is really bleached and he doesn't have it toned, so it's more of like a yellow. And the biggest thing is like the bends of his dreadlocks. They're all bending. Now, how did Lil Wayne start his dreadlocks? He started them out with twisting with gel, most likely, because we all remember how Lil Wayne's dreadlocks looked at the beginning. His dreadlocks were really skinny, and then he would braid them sometimes, and then he would do braid outs, which would create curly dreadlocks. But that is no longer how Lil Wayne does his hair. He just lets it go how it is right now. He lets it freely form, and that's why we see all these Congos. So we can definitely say the method that he chose to start out was twisting with gel. But let's move on to the maintenance that he does now, which I believe is nothing unless he's still bleaching his dreads with new growth, which I mean that when his hair gets longer that he bleaches it again, which I really wouldn't recommend bleaching all the way to the roots, but if you want that hairstyle, go ahead and go for it. But just know that when you're bleaching your hair, you're stripping your hair of its pigment, which pigment is this color, which also will thin out your hair and make your hair not as strong as it typically will be. Now, when it comes to hairstyles that Lil Wayne wears, he really just wears his hair down, but a lot of the time, most of the time, he's wearing a hat. And we can all understand that he's wearing a hat, maybe to cover up his baldness. And one of the number one things that I think is really interesting is that he's actually keeping his dreads and not really doing anything with it. I'm not really sure if he's ever got a hair transplant or anything like that, but he's just letting his hair go. Like, he's letting his hair go bald. Now, just scrolling up a little bit on his Instagram, we can see this old throwback picture, and we can see that his hair was very cylindrical. He only had single dreadlocks. He didn't have any Congos, but then soon enough, he moved on to dreads like this. And we can all say that these are way more interesting than what they looked like before. We can see that they're really skinny at some parts and they're really thick at some parts. And with the Congos, the tips look really interesting. And one thing to also note is that his hair is very matted together and there's hardly any frizz. And that usually comes with the range of the 4 hair type. One thing I like about Lil Wayne is that he actually committed to skateboarding, and he skates a lot. And also looking at this post, it does show that he actually bleaches it all the way down to the roots. So it's very interesting. Could be a reason why he's going bald. Then at the same time, he's had his dreads for a really long time. Can't really tell, but it could be from multiple things, from drug use, from alcohol, from stress, from his hair being pulled too tight, from all the braids that he used to do. Could be from all those things. Also could be genetics. So there's not really one thing you can pinpoint to say why he's losing hair. But if we are looking at his dreadlocks, they are really cool just because of the color of the Congos and like the little fingers at the end of his dreads. I think they're really cool. But guys, comment down below what you guys think about Lil Wayne's dreadlocks. Also, go follow me on Instagram. It's @GunsLocked. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.